Welcome to the EHS Control Tower dashboard, your centralized platform for monitoring environmental, health and safety performance, trends and insights across the organization. In this video, I'll walk you through a concise overview of how to use the EHS dashboard in Power BI. Top information bar. At the top of the dashboard, you can quickly view last refresh date and time, next schedule refresh, your login username, today's date. This helps ensure that you're always working with the latest available lead. Navigation panel. On the left side panel, you will find all dashboard pages available for navigation. Use this panel to easily move between different reporting sections and analyses. Global filters and selections. In the upper panel, you will find the dashboard filters and selection controls. Please make sure your selections are correct before analyzing the data, as all visuals update dynamically based on your chosen filters. Resetting filters. To reset all filters, use the Reset All Filters button above to restore all filters to their default values. Drill down and drill up. Some visuals support drill down to explore more detailed levels of information, drill up to return to higher level summary views. These features help you move seamlessly from high-level KPIs to more detailed operational insights. Drill through. Certain visuals also support drill through functionality. By right-clicking on a data point, you can navigate directly to a detailed analysis page related to the selected item. Expanding visual details. Some visuals include a drop-down menu that allows you to add additional fields directly into the visual. This feature enables you to increase the level of detail in the analysis and customize the displayed information based on your needs. In simple terms, it allows you to drill deeper into the data without leaving the page or switching to another report view. Internal buttons. Some reports include internal buttons that allow you to navigate to related visuals and sections within the same page. Business glossary. The dashboard includes a business glossary that provides KPI definitions, calculation logic, and key terminology used throughout the reports, ensuring consistent understanding across all stakeholders. Information tooltips. Above many visuals, you will find an information button. Hovering over this icon provides additional explanations, context, and guidance about the visual and its matrix. Raise a ticket. If you encounter any issues, data concerns, or enhancement requests, you can use the Raise a Ticket button within the dashboard to contact the support team directly. Finally, we hope the EHS Control Tower dashboard helps you make faster, more informed, and data-driven decisions while strengthening safety and operational performance across the organization. Thank you for watching.